Hey guys, this is Maria from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to use hashtags on Instagram. Hashtags are considered as a crucial way to expand your Instagram account's visibility, increase the engagement level, and grow your audience. However, in order to get the great results from hashtags, you need to know how to use them. Follow these steps and you will find out how you can use them. First, let's see how you can follow and unfollow hashtags. So go to the Search tab. Type in the hashtag you want to follow. Once it appears on the screen, click on it. At the top of the screen, you will see the Follow button. Press on it, and you will start seeing posts with that hashtag in your Instagram feed. If you want to find all hashtags that you follow, then go to your Instagram profile tab. Hit the following, and you will see the hashtags section. Tap to open it. Here a list of all hashtags that you follow appears on your screen. If you want to unfollow a particular hashtag, press on the following button and choose the unfollow option. Secondly, you can add hashtags on your stories. In this case, go to Instagram Home tab, swipe right or click on the Your Story icon in the top left corner. Once the story camera window opens, take a photo, record a video, or upload a visual from your camera roll. Actually, there are two ways how you can insert hashtags into your story. You have an opportunity to tap the sticker icon at the top and add the hashtag sticker, or you may hit the text icon, put the hashtag sign, and type in the hashtag phrase. What is more, you can put hashtags into your post description. So click on the plus icon at the bottom and start creating a post as you would normally do. Now put the hashtag sign and start writing the hashtag phrase. Keep in mind that you can create your own hashtag. Once you do it, simply tap the share icon. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to use hashtags on Instagram. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.